Hey guys, Dayton here with Dead Last Racing. So fuck. Hey guys, Dayton here with Dead Last Racing. Behind me, I have a 2001 Honda CR250R. Today, I'm going to be disassembling it. So when I bought this bike, half the engine was in a cardboard box. The owner said the crank seized, and the crank is a little bit seized. You can feel it has some resistance there. Apparently the bore is supposed to be alright. I didn't actually get to take a look at it. Once I got in my garage here, I had a little surprise after looking over the bike a little more, and I discovered that the forks are not from a 2001 CR250. That was kind of bummed me out just a little bit, but they seem to work fine, they fit fine, so I'll just have to make do with what I have. Not a huge deal. Otherwise, the chassis seems to be in alright condition. I didn't feel play anywhere, all the bearings seem to be alright. I wouldn't be surprised once I get it apart if I see rust and dirt and gunk inside the bearings, and it just wasn't showing any play. That's also not a huge deal. I'm really hoping that I can just re-grease them though and not have to spend any extra money on chassis bearings and stuff like that. So I've wanted to do a build like this on a Honda 2-stroke for a long time now. I've heard nothing but good things about the engine, especially about this generation of the Honda 2-stroke engines, because you don't have to deal with the electronic power valve issues that the 02 to 07 engines had. Also, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure the airbox on these models also sealed correctly from the factory, whereas the 02 to 07 bikes did not. So yeah, anyway, let's just take a quick look at the bike and then I'll start disassembling it. So as you can see, if you're familiar with Hondas, these are clearly not the stock fork lugs. They kind of look like older, like mid to early 90s fork lugs. So one of the previous owners before me clearly robbed them, put them on a different bike or something. But yeah, not a huge deal, so we'll just deal with that. Here you can just see the bore or the cylinder was taken off, and just look at the crank here. Can't really get my hand in there because I got big hands, but you can feel that crank is pretty seized in there. I don't know if you can see. I'm kind of hoping once I get the gas tank off, I don't have to get this cylinder replated or anything. As you can see, before I disassemble it, there isn't any play here, up and down or side to side, so that's a good sign already. Same with the front end. I don't feel any play side to side there. With that fork issue, I'm kind of worried that the shock also isn't stock with the bike. That would kind of piss me off, but hopefully not. It seems to be the stock one, so that's good. Bike did come with new plastics, so I will be running these. I do have a 2020 front end kit on the way. Otherwise, I'm just gonna run all these plastics that came with the bike. I just kind of don't like the front end. It kind of has that stupid banana fender, and the number plate just looks really dorky. Just gonna modern it up, throw some new CRF plate and fender at the front there. Anyway, enough talk, let's get to it.
say that, girl, don't tell me you can say that shit. All she want is payback for the way I always play that shit. You ain't getting nothing that I'm saying, don't tell me you care. Nothing like them other motherfuckers, I could make you rich. Make you rich, make you this, baby, I can make you that. I can take you there, but baby, you won't make it back. Bro, I'm sick of this, and I don't wanna make you sad. Do I make you scared, baby, won't you take me back? Nothing like them other motherfuckers, I can make you rich, make you rich. Nothing like them other motherfuckers, I can make you rich. Nothing like them other motherfuckers, I can make you rich, make you rich. Nothing like them other motherfuckers, I can make you rich.
Every time I'm dealing with radiators, my floor often looks like this. So I just took the shock off, and obviously it says show on it, so that's a good sign that it's the stock shock. So happy to see that. Okay guys, here it is. You can get a better look at the con rod bearing there. That thing is just mangled. I have to press really hard just to get it to move around. Ugh. Yeah, that is just messed up. Taking a look at this bore in the cylinder. Doesn't look too bad. As you can see, there's no large gouges or anything like that. I'm guessing I could probably get away with not having to replate this thing, so that's kind of nice. This is what we have so far. Just waiting for the liquid wrench or the PV blaster or whatever to work in here, as I'm having a freaking hard time getting these out. Yeah, that's my solution for now, but I'll get that figured out off camera hopefully. Also, I'd just like to quickly clarify that this is not a tutorial in any way, shape, or form. I'm just at-home mechanic. I'm still learning lots. I just don't want anyone to maybe copy me and damage their bike or something, because I'm not a professional, so just keep that in mind. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you'd like to see the rest of the build. I'm going to be doing it over the course of the winter. So yeah, thank you. Hopefully I'll see you later.